Hi there, it's Hillary and welcome back for another Creative Faith video. Today I'm going to share with you guys a printable in my Etsy shop that is on sale for $1 for just a couple days. So throughout the month of August, I am celebrating Creative Faith Cuttables, the digital printable cuttable side of my Etsy shop. I started creating printables in August of 2017, and so August is a special month around here. I thought to celebrate it would be fun to each Thursday and Friday of the month of August have a printable for $1. So this is the printable that is available for $1 so it's good for Thursday, August 13th through Friday, August 14th, 2020. And it is the Oh Happy Day patterned papers. And I specifically picked this one for this week because it matches really well with the Gospel of Light. And so I'm going to do a real quick process in the latest Creative Faith devotion kit, the Gospel of Light. There are, at the time I'm filming this, still some physical Gospel of Light books available in my Etsy shop. You can also pick this devotion book up on Amazon. And so the pattern papers, I didn't make them to match this kit, but you'll see why in a moment. They match really well. So the pattern paper bundle comes with four. I have 3 of them, but it comes with 4 pages. So I printed 2 of them on vellum and then 1 on cardstock and then 1 I don't have here. So the Oh Happy Day printable, this is not on sale, but the pattern papers that go along with it are on sale. And so this is a little peek at the Oh Happy Day printable. It is all about good news and hope and new life in the middle of a storm, which matches kind of the theme of the Gospel of Light as well. And so here's a little peek at how I have used Oh Happy Day in my Happy Planner half sheets. This is where I work through my devotion kits. And so the pattern papers has one page that has these really pretty clouds, this page that has this little sunshines, and this is what I'm going to be using today. And then it has this orange splatter paper, and then it has a similar one in blue that is not featured here. So head to my Etsy shop and be sure to pick up the Oh Happy Day patterned papers for $1. It is a massive steal. You will never see it this low of a price again. So definitely be sure to grab it. You could also pick up the Oh Happy Day printable to go along with this. And check out the Gospel of Light. Real quick, I was going to show you guys what I've done so far in the Gospel of Light and then do the process. So I started off by creating this prayer page. I always start off my new projects using with a prayer. And so I have, this is actually a prayer request card from Allie Scraps. She made these to go along with my Jonah devotion that I launched earlier in 2020. And you guys can use code CreativeFaith30 for a discount in her shop. If you're watching this on YouTube, I will have the Oh Happy Day pattern papers, the Oh Happy Day printable, the Gospel of Light devotion book, and these prayer request cards linked in the description box down below. So I start off with a prayer. This is one of the little printables that comes with the physical kit, and it's also available in a digital version. So I put the Gospel of Light, draw us closer to you, Lord, and decorated the background. And then I made this little light playlist, and I wrote out one of my favorite lyrics right now to the song Tremble by Mosaic, and I added one of the washi strips from the printable on this page. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble, with some Happy Planner stickers. So I'm going to be working on part 3, which is walking in the light. So I'm going to put you guys on fast forward and jump in.